Hey everyone, today we have an exciting review for you. We are diving into the Beyerdynamic Dt700x, a pair of studio quality headphones that promise exceptional sound clarity. Remember, you can find the links for the Beyerdynamic Dt 700x and all the other studio headphones we are going to compare it against in the description box below, where I'll add any discounts I can possibly get you.
Studio headphones? Sounds fancy, Ben, but are they really worth it?
Great question, Tom. Let's break it down for everyone. First impressions of the Beyerdynamic Dt 700x are pretty positive. The build quality is impressive with a sleek black plastic frame, plush gray velour ear cups, and a sturdy feel thanks to its metal components. They definitely have a professional look and feel, which is what you would expect from a studio-grade product.
So they look good, but how do they feel? Are they comfy?
They are generally comfortable with a well-padded headphone and a soft velour ear pads. However, they do have a high clamping force, which can feel tight, especially for those with larger heads or who wear glasses. Now let's talk about the tech specs. The DT700x are closed-back over-ear headphones with an impedance of 48 ohms and a frequency response range of 5 Hz to 40,000 Hz. They feature Beyerdynamic's new stellar .45 driver designed for detailed sound reproduction and come with two detachable cables, 1.8 meters and 3 meters, both ending in a 3.5mm jack.
Wow, that's a lot of numbers. What do they actually mean?
In simple terms, the lower impedance makes them easier to drive with devices like laptops and smartphones, and the wide frequency range ensures you hear everything from the deepest bass to the highest treble. Performance-wise, the DT700x shines in providing clear, accurate sound. They are designed to deliver a truthful representation of your audio, making them ideal for mixing and mastering music. The soundstage is not as expensive as open-back headphones, but for a closed-back design, they perform admirably.
So they are not just for pros? Could I use them for gaming or movies?
Absolutely. While they are aimed at audio professionals, they also offer a great experience for gaming and movies, revealing nonsense you might mess with standard headphones. Let's break down the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. Number 1, the sound clarity and details are top-notch. Number 2, the headphones are robust and durable with replaceable components like ear pads and head hands. Number 3, these headphones have a plush velour ear cups and padded headbands, making them comfortable for extended use. Now moving to the cons. Number 1, these headphones have high clamping force, which can be uncomfortable for some users, especially with glasses. Number 2, the price ranges between $250 and $300, which put them on the expensive side compared to some competitors. Number 3, portability. It has a bulky design and lack of fold-in mechanism, which make them less portable.
Okay, so they are a bit pricey and tight, but they sound like a solid choice.
When comparing Beyerdynamic's DT700x to similar products, it stands out for its build quality and sound accuracy. The Sennheiser HD400 Pro and HD650 are notable competitors. The Sennheiser models have a higher impedance and are slightly lighter, but the Beyerdynamics offer a more robust build and replaceable parts.
What about other brands?
Brands like Audio-Technica and Sony also offer strong alternatives like the ATH-M50x and MDR7506, which are cheaper but might not match the premium feel and sound detail of the DT700x. Finally, let's discuss the price to value. As I have mentioned that the price ranges between $250 and $300, the DT700x is a significant investment. However, considering their build quality, replaceable parts, and exceptional sound accuracy, they offer good value for those serious about their audio.
So they are worth it if you are really into sound quality.
Exactly, for audio professionals or enthusiasts who value precision and durability, the DT700x is a worthwhile investment.
Well, I might just have to save up for a pair then.
And before you go, let us know your thoughts on the Beyerdynamics DT700x in the comments below. We would love to hear your opinions. Thanks for watching everyone, and do not forget to subscribe for more reviews. See you in the next one.